Hi, why were you buying your home with Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty Nancy Kowalik Group?
That's a great question. I was in real estate investing before I had children, and I'm a sixth generation entrepreneur. Before we had children, my wife and I had 4 pieces of property, 6 units total, and my kids were getting ready to go off to college, and I told my wife, I want to start getting back into real estate investing. So I did a quick Google search, and I saw that Nancy and his group were highly recommended, and so I called and said, hey, I want to get back into real estate investing. Can you and your team help me?
How did you meet Mason?
So they called me back and said, we have an agent that would like to work with you. And I said, great, I'm looking forward to hearing from that person. And then Mason called me himself. Mason interviewed me, asked me why I was looking for a place. He took great notes on who I was and what I was looking for. And we met, and as we worked together, we looked at homes for, since March of 2020, and we didn't close until December of last year, so 2021. He and I looked at many homes together. He had the patience to really evolve my search with me, which was important because I feel like I really needed to learn the market. I had invested, over 10 years ago in upstate New York, and I had to learn the South Jersey market. As he could tell you, and many people in this office will attest to, it's a very seller-friendly market at this point. And I had to make sure that I felt I found a good deal in this seller's market.
Would you recommend us?
Would I recommend this team? Absolutely. Mason tells me he came here after his brief experience in real estate in Pennsylvania, and he said, this place, they look out for their personnel, they look out for each other. It operates more like a family than a business. I came to the Christmas party that Nancy throws every year, and what a wonderful experience that was to see her give money back to the community and hear a little bit of her story. Really just made me think, I'm really with the right people here. So yeah, I'm going to do business with this team again, and I would absolutely recommend them to my friends.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.